Here are a few reasons why you need these Epika ultra lightweight compression packing cubes. They come in a set of 6 water resistant durable travel bag with a toiletry bag, expandable travel accessories for carry on luggage, your suitcase, whether you want to go camping or so much more. You can keep your gears dry because it comes with a level 4 water repellency. They feel as light as leaf. So they're super lightweight, 100% nylon, tensile stretch with tensile strength of 113 to 154 pounds. They come with portable handles, smooth, durable zippers, and it makes packing and organizing super easy without having to rifle through everything in your suitcase or your luggage. I also love that each individual package is labeled with the items that needs to go in each. So you have one bag for underwear or socks, you have another bag for shirts or jeans, and then you have another one for shirts, jeans, or sweaters. You also have a shoe bag and a toiletry bag. Again, it is really lightweight. The color is really nice, and you have a bunch of different colors to choose from. It just makes packing and organizing your items so much easier, so you get to separate them. And I love that it goes from small, medium, large, and it's just good to keep everything organized and easy for when you're traveling or going out and about. And again, they are compression bags, so it just works better. And I'll have the details or the link to this item linked in my description box or in the pinned comment. You can go ahead and check it out. And thanks again, Epika, for. Anyways, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous day. Love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye. I must say that the craftsmanship and the design of the bags, these were well thought of, and Christmas is coming up, so definitely add this to your wish list because it's a definite must have. And they currently have a 20% off discount on Amazon.